हेलो इंजीनियर्स, कैसे हो आप सब? होपफुली यू आर वेल एंड आई होप यू आर watching my videos continuously which I am uploading. Come to the point. Today we will discuss about the abstraction. I know you are fully aware with this term abstraction. Abstraction in the Java is the process in which we only show essential details, functionality to user. The non-essential implementation detail are not displayed to user. That is the main core functionality of abstraction. In this article, we will learn about the abstraction and what abstraction means. Abstraction achieved by the interface and abstract class. Abstraction achieved by the interface and abstract class. We can achieve 100% abstraction using interface. Okay. Then abstract. If you more interested to know more the abstraction real life example, so we can consider a example, or I have written one example like example of a man driving a car. The man only knows that pressing the escalator will increase the speed of the car, or applying the brakes will stop the car, but doesn't know how on the pressing the escalator the speed is actually increasing. He doesn't know how the inner mechanism of the car or the implementation of the escalator, brake, etc. in a car. So this is what abstraction is. This is actually abstraction. Java abstraction class and Java abstraction methods. We have few key points, so you should aware about that. Let's discuss first. An abstraction class is a class that is declared with an abstraction keyword. Abstraction class similar like a class where to use the abstraction keyword. Abstraction method is a method that is declared without implementation. Also, a abstraction class may or may not have all abstract method. Some of them can be concrete methods. A method defined abstract must always be defined in the subclass, thus making overriding compulsory or making the subclass itself abstract. Like if a class is used, if a method using abstract keyword, so it must be abstract abstract class should be declared with the abstract keyword. Any class that contains one or more abstract method must also be declared with a abstract keyword. Any class that contains one or more abstract method must also be declared with the abstract keyword. Also declare with the abstract keyword. There another one point is there can be no object of an abstract class. There can be no object of an abstract class, that is, an abstract class cannot be directly initiated with the new operator. Abstract class can have a parameterized constructor, and default constructors is always parent in the abstract class. This is very key point. Abstract class can have a parameterized constructor, and default constructor always present in the abstract class. Okay, how the algorithm will implement, let's discuss that also. Algorithm to implement abstract class: determine the classes or interface that will be part of the abstraction, create a abstract class or interface that defines common behavior and properties of these class, define abstract method within the abstract class or interface that don't have any implementation detail. Implement concurrent classes that extend the abstract classes or implement the interface. Override the abstract method in the concrete class to provide their specific implementation. Override the abstract method in the concrete classes to provide their specific implementation. Use the concurrent classes to implement program logic. So okay, hopefully you understand the algorithm things, but I will guide you कि only read these things. This is very important. Abstract class can have a parameter constructor or a default constructor which are always present in the abstract class, and there can be no object of abstract class. Abstract class cannot be directly initiated with the new operator, so we have need to initialize that operator using the this keyword. Okay, let's see the code. See, abstract class animal we have declared the class here abstract, and private string name, declare the variable, public animal string name, this dot name equal to name, this one. Let's see, this is the constructor, parameterized constructor. And public structure void make sound. This is the this is the abstract method implementing without any body. We have declared the abstraction empty body, so without any implementation. Public string get name, return name, this one. Then see, abstract class, extend the abstract class dog, extend the animal class, this one. And this one is public dog, then it's taken the value from the superclass, simple. And we implement the abstract method, just like get name, there the value will get the data and it will fetch and put the values and break, and this one print, simple. Yeah, see, look in the side, already. Let's see, this one is the abstractor method which we have created in the super class, and it's implemented now. You can see implemented now. And see, derived class, where we have calling the abstract class abstract, and the main method derived class is the main method where we are calling the all functions or methods, like that's why we are calling the derived class. And declare the animal is a super class, and my dog is the new variable or new, that my dog will hold the this thing. So new things, and new is the, already I discussed, new is the keyword which use for providing the memory. And dog birthday, dog buddhi, and this the dog is the function. Yes, this one function, this one. And this will go there and preach the here. And super name is will call there get name provides the b, and this one, like this one. Same thing happen for the this one, and provide this one. And my dog dot make sound, and my cat, this one, this make sound is the abstract method. Let's see, this one make sound, and make sound and make sound, this one provide the value. This one method also here, and same method we use make sound for this one, another variable. Then we are getting the this one. Let's see what the three things we have declared. First one is the abstract method, constructor parameter is constructor, and a parameter constructor, and abstract method empty body, and return public string get name, return name, we are returning the value, uh, and then we are extending the class and extending the super class, and we create the one method, this one public string, this one make sound simply, and we use this method here, and we create another class and extend the super class, and we use that method, what we call vdog string super name, we use same string and we use same string. And this one, see, this one is the method, this is the constructor as a class name and provide the name, and constructor cat and provide the super name. Okay, so what is happening, see, so abstract class variables string only single variable we are using, so written is a single variable, private because we are using this variable within the class. And this one is what, this is the constructor, and fetching the variable from this instance of the class or current instance of the class or immediate class, simple. And create, what is creating, we are creating the abstract method and the returning the value using the method. So simply we are extend, this is the inheritance property, we are extending the super class in the child class, so taking the dog inherit the animal, and public dog string super, they're getting the value or variable data from super class, and this one is the what, public void make sound is the what, this is the abstract method which we have declared earlier and we are using here, and same things happening earlier different, and we are using this one and this method and declare the another name or values like public cat string. Okay, got it. And nothing is there, just the derived class and public class abstract example and main function, and we declare the call the object of the class. Yes, object of the class, and call the methods, because we cannot create this kind of call of constructor, right? We can create for the method. So this one make sound is the method, so my dog dot make sound and my cat dot make sound. Hopefully you are getting my point. This is the about the constructor.